Here's some examples of domain and range of piecewise functions. Okay, we have a line on the right of x equals 0, x plus 2, and this is for x is greater than 0. We have a line on the left of x equals 0, and this is x minus 1, and again for x is less than or equal to 0. That's why it's got the solid dot there. So if we look at the domain of this, well, this is going on forever to the left and the right. There are no breaks. It's negative infinity to positive infinity. But the range, let's have a look at this. It is going down forever, but it stops here at negative 1. There's a break, it starts again at positive 2 and goes up forever. Okay, so the range is this. Negative infinity, because it's going down, goes as far as negative 1. This has the solid dot, so I'll put a bracket. Okay. Then it starts again at positive 2, open dot, so parenthesis, and goes on to infinity. Okay, so again the domain and the range. Next one. Now this uses the same lines, okay, but I've just moved it 2 places to the right. Okay, so one is x greater than 2, the other is less than or equal to 2. So again, the domain is still negative infinity to positive infinity. There are no breaks left to right, but there are, again, breaks, or one break here, going up and down for the range. So again, this goes down forever, stops at here, at 1, starts again at positive 4, and goes on forever up. So the range is negative infinity. Again, remember, it goes as far as here, which is positive 1. That's got the solid dot. Starts again here, okay, at y equals 4, and goes on forever up. Okay, so that would be the range of that. Let's take a look at looking. Now again of this, domain is still negative infinity to positive infinity, but now the range here just starts there and goes up. So the range of this is just negative 1 to infinity. Okay? Let's look at this one. Again, the domain, negative infinity to positive infinity. But the range for this one is negative 3 to infinity. Okay, so that was the range there. And again, I still use the same equations. Okay, still use the same equations. Okay, it's just I moved it to the right. So again, just the domain and range of some piecewise functions.